Hi, welcome back to my Jamboree vlogs, and in this video I thought I would show you the UK participant kit that everyone will be getting who is part of the UK. I thought I'd just go through it and show you because I'm really excited about it. First, I've got just a typical explorer shirt, and I'm happy because I got it was the female blouse fit, and I've tried on the men's ones before and they're massive. They were so big, so I'm glad it was the blouse fit. And then I've also got other badges to put on them. I've got the typical T-Bear one that I've already got on my scout shirt as well. And then I got 3 of my unit ones in we've got them in all different colours. So orange, red and purple. I don't actually know where I'm meant to put any of these badges, so I'm going to have to ask someone. And then I've also got my unit. This is a badge that my unit's done, which is quite funny. I've talked about it before. It's just Thummy Bear, because one of my leaders hates thumbs up. So we thought we'd get T-Bear, which is a Thummy Bear. I've also got the typical one to show you part of Scouts. I've got the UK flag one, which I also got one of these when I went to France. And then I've got the strips that say what you're part of. So ours says Unit 30 Durham, the Angels of the North. So that's all the badges I'm going to have to be put on my shirts. Next, oh gosh, is the shorts, okay? I'm not a fan of these shorts because I ended up getting them in a size too small because I didn't realise it was men's fit. So they're not my style. They're very lovely, but I'm gonna have to sort that out. But it would have been nice if they could have done a women's and a men's fit the shirts, because we aren't the same. So this isn't gonna be. They're just your typical scout shorts, to be honest. And then is this I forgot what they're called. It's the sport t-shirt things, which is a light blue, and it's got T-Bear on it as usual. United Kingdom, World Scout Jamboree, North America 2019. And then, I didn't realise this until quite late, it has this on the back, which is a banner thing. United Kingdom, World Scout Jamboree, North America 2019. I quite like this actually. It's quite long as well. It's very long, because again, it's a unisex fit. But that's fine. And then, I've just got another UK necker thing with T-Bear on the back. And then the bottle, my bottle was a red one, because I know you either got red or blue, but I wasn't bothered, and I love both of them. This is going to be so helpful. And then, I think this might be my favourite thing, the hat. I went to a meeting thing about UK kit, and we all voted against the hats, and we went for black caps we wanted. But now that I've got this hat, I'm in love with it. I actually love it so much. So on front, it's got T-Bear, which it's just it's peeking over. I absolutely love it. And then the Scout logo, and then on the top, it's in around a circle. It just says United Kingdom World Scout Jamboree 2019, and it's got a breathable mesh bit. I just love this. I absolutely love it. Next, we'll get onto the bags. Is this the day bag? It is massive. I was not expecting it to be this big. The whole time we've been showed pictures of Jamboree kit, I've been going, it looks tiny, but this is massive. It's got so much room inside, I can hardly show you. And everything, it's all sponsored by Go Outdoors, which is good. And then it's got these, which I don't know what I'm going to attach to it yet. A side thing for a water bottle. It's all branded Scout stuff everywhere. And it's got a waist strap, which I was really not expecting. So it's going all out, this bag. It's so big. And it's got the outside inside pockets, the clear bit where you put your name and stuff. And I had an idea, I was just gonna put loads of poppies on it, because I'm just gonna look at a bag and just go, oh, poppies, it's me. So you've got to make it so it's easy to see. And then, oh, I forgot about this bit. tea bear again, which is a common theme everywhere. And finally, the bag. I don't know how I'm meant to show this. It is so big. It is absolutely massive. I was not expecting it to be like this big the whole time. Because again, the whole time I've been going, how am I going to fit everything in? It looks so small. But it's massive. And I know we're not really sure on the weight limit yet. It might be like 20 to 25 is like normal if you're flying to like America and stuff like that. But I know like the last Jamboree, the UK contingent like lowered the weight so people didn't go over. So I'm not sure on that yet, but you can definitely fit a lot in this bag. Wait, what's I'm really confused. There's a zip at the bottom. Okay, I don't know what that's for. I'm just gonna ignore that. But I love this bag. It's so cool. And it's, of course, it's got tea bear. Everything has tea bear on it, and it's so cute. And a massive Scout logo, red and blue. Oh my gosh, there's more tea bears on it. And again, branded by Go Outdoors, and it's got wheels. Oh yeah, it's got all the wheel stuff. That's gonna be helpful. And then the clear bit and some handles. It's gonna be a nightmare to carry, but I'm so excited. This makes it feel like so much realer that I've got kit that I'm going to be using over there. Like, I'll be walking around with my hat on, my Scout shirt on, Scout shirt, Explorer shirts, all that. It's like, it feels so real now. I'm so excited. And I know that I ordered a lot of stuff as well from like the UK contingent, like extra. I don't know what to describe it, like the extra kit that you could get. Like, I don't even remember what I've ordered, so I'm definitely going to be making a video when all of that comes, because it's going to be a shock to me as well. So actually, as I just finished filming there, this parcel came from Amazon, and I'm pretty sure it's like packing cubes I've ordered for the bag. It's not like official UK kit or anything, but I've heard that like they're going to be like really useful. This is to like keep stuff in, like t-shirts and stuff like that separate. And I told my mum and dad just to order a colour, so I don't actually know which one they've ordered us. Oh, God. I think it's in. Oh my gosh. So clearly got them in orange. This seems. So these are going to be so helpful. Ooh, well, I like these. This is just like a little post-credit bit, because oh my god. So I've got 1, 2, 3. They're all getting smaller. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, this is so cool. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe, and join me next time when I'll be back with more Jamboree vlogs. Bye!